How you can block someone from commenting on your post on Instagram. In this video, I'm going to show you how. But before I continue, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you get more tips like this. Without further ado, let's jump straight into my phone, my Instagram app, to show you how you can block or unblock someone from commenting on your Instagram post. Let's go. Alright, first of all, open up your Instagram app, click on your profile at the bottom right, then click on the three lines on top, the burger icon, and then scroll to find how others can interact with you. Click on comments, and then you can see block comments from. Click on that, then search for people. For example, I want to search, just example, right, my other account. Okay, and then you click block, and then that person is blocked. So that person won't be able to comment on your post. To unblock, it's very easy, same place. Just go to comments again, block comments from. Click on that, and just click on unblock. Okay, one thing about this is they don't know that you block them, so this is one good way to do it. They can still see your post, they just can't comment. So yeah, so that's one way you can block someone from commenting on your photos and videos. If you find this helpful, do subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.